We are looking at how to pronounce this name in Hebrew, as well as how to say more interesting Hebrew names and biblical names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. Of course, this name in English is known and pronounced as Deborah. In Hebrew, however, there are two different ways of saying it, either Dvorah, with an emphasis on the first syllable, Dvorah. The second way is with an emphasis on the second syllable rather, same pronunciation, Dvorah, or Dvorah. Pretty straightforward once you know, Dvorah or Dvorah. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.